Welcome back to Speak Easy English. Today we will make banking simple so you can cash a check, ask about opening hours, and make a deposit with confidence.
That means by the end, you will know the exact phrases to use at the bank and how to avoid common mistakes.
We will practice real lines you can say to a teller or in a bank chat, and we will review the most useful phrases at the end.
This lesson will save you time and help you handle money conversations naturally.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English. Today we will talk about banking basics at the branch and at the ATM.
I will add short definitions and examples, and we will do practice lines together so you feel ready.
First quick tip, bring your ID, your account information, and the check or cash before you go to the bank.
That tip helps avoid waiting and makes the transaction faster.
The plan today is simple. Learn how to ask to cash a check, how to ask about opening hours, and how to make a deposit.
I will explain terms like endorsement, deposit slip, hold, and teller.
Let us begin with cashing a check, a very common task many people worry about.
What is the first line to say when you approach the teller window?
A clear starter line is, "Can I cash this check, please?"
Can I cash this check, please?
Good. Now add a short clarification if needed, such as, "I have an account here," or "I do not have an account here."
I have an account here, or I do not have an account here.
If you do not have an account, ask politely, "Do you cash checks for non-customers?"
Do you cash checks for non-customers?
Another useful phrase if they ask for ID is, "Here is my ID, thank you."
Here is my ID, thank you.
Practice endorsing a check. You will sign the back, and you can say, "I am endorsing the check now."
I am endorsing the check now.
If the teller needs to verify the check, ask, "How long will verification take?"
How long will verification take?
That helps you know if you should wait or come back later.
Now, a small helpful point. Many banks put a hold on large checks, so ask about hold times.
A simple question is there a hold on this check?
Is there a hold on this check?
If they say yes, ask how many business days. For example, how many business days is the hold?
How many business days is the hold?
Use a polite tone and listen for the number of days.
If you need cash right away and the bank denies it, ask if you can get a partial cash amount.
Can I get a partial cash amount?
That is a practical alternative.
A quick definition. Endorsement means signing the back of the check to transfer ownership.
Endorsement means signing the back of the check.
Now a second micro benefit. You now know how to open the conversation and ask about holds and partial cash.
That first set of phrases already gets you ready at the teller.
Stay with us. Later, I will summarize the exact phrases so you can save them to your phone.
And at the end, we will show a short method to use these phrases naturally when you're at the bank.
Next topic, asking about bank opening hours. Very useful before you travel to a branch.
Start with a simple question, what are your opening hours?
What are your opening hours?
If you need a specific day or holiday, ask, are you open on public holidays?
Are you open on public holidays?
If hours differ on weekends, ask, do you have weekend hours?
Do you have weekend hours?
For branches with special services, ask, what are your teller hours and what are your appointment hours?
What are your teller hours and what are your appointment hours?
That helps you plan a visit and avoid standing in a long line.
Another helpful line is, do I need an appointment for this service?
Do I need an appointment for this service?
If the bank has an online chat or phone service, ask, can I call and schedule an appointment?
Can I call and schedule an appointment?
Now a short practice block. Say each of these lines out loud after me.
What are your opening hours?
Are you open on public holidays?
Do you have weekend hours?
Do I need an appointment for this service?
Can I call and schedule an appointment?
Good. Those lines will save you time and avoid surprises.
Now we move to making deposits, both at the teller and at the ATM.
If you want to deposit cash or checks at the counter, say, I would like to make a deposit, please.
I would like to make a deposit, please.
If you have a deposit slip, hand it to the teller and say, here is my deposit slip.
Here is my deposit slip.
If you do not have a deposit slip, ask, do you have a deposit slip I can use?
Do you have a deposit slip I can use?
For mobile deposit questions, ask, can I deposit this using the bank app?
Can I deposit this using the bank app?
If using the ATM, ask, does this ATM accept deposits?
Does this ATM accept deposits?
Practice a short line for ATM deposits. Say, I will deposit cash now.
I will deposit cash now.
If you have multiple checks, ask, can I deposit multiple checks at once?
Can I deposit multiple checks at once?
When depositing into a joint account, specify the account if needed. Say, please deposit this into account number.
Please deposit this into account number.
If you want to get a receipt for the deposit, ask, can I get a receipt for this deposit, please?
Can I get a receipt for this deposit, please?
Receipts are important for your records and proof of deposit.
Now, a mid-lesson deliverable. You can now deposit cash or checks, use the ATM, ask for deposit slips, and request a receipt.
That midpoint gives you confidence in both teller and ATM options.
Next, we cover small protective phrases and safety tips.
First, never share your PIN out loud. And if someone asks for it, say, I am not comfortable sharing my PIN.
I am not comfortable sharing my PIN.
If you see suspicious activity on your account, call customer service immediately and say, I need to report suspicious activity on my account.
I need to report suspicious activity on my account.
For lost cards, a clear line is, I lost my debit card. Can you block it, please?
I lost my debit card. Can you block it, please?
These safety phrases protect your money and your identity.
Now a short tip about fees. Always ask before a service. Say, is there a fee for this service?
Is there a fee for this service?
If the teller mentions a fee, ask if there is a waiver. Say, can this fee be waived?
Can this fee be waived?
That can save you money.
Now a practice block with useful short lines. Repeat each one.
Can I cash this check, please?
Is there a hold on this check?
Can I get a partial cash amount?
What are your opening hours?
Do you have weekend hours?
I would like to make a deposit, please.
Can I deposit this using the bank app?
Excellent practice. Those lines are short and ready for your phone notes.
Now a little negotiation and polite escalation language.
If the teller cannot help you, ask, can you please check with a supervisor?
Can you please check with a supervisor?
If you need more help, call customer service and say, I need help with my account. Can you transfer me to support?
I need help with my account. Can you transfer me to support?
Use calm language and explain the problem simply.
Now a small example from my experience to keep this real. Once I went to cash a check without ID, and the teller kindly said, I cannot help you without ID.
What did you do?
I came back with my ID and said, here is my ID, thank you. Then the teller cashed my check.
That is a great real-life example, and it shows why ID is important.
Now, a practical phrase for international customers. Ask, do you accept foreign ID?
Do you accept foreign ID?
Some banks have specific rules, so ask before you travel to a branch.
Now, a short method to use these phrases naturally when you are at the bank. Remember 3 steps.
First, prepare your documents. Second, ask the short question. Third, confirm the receipt or hold.
That 3-step method helps you stay organized and reduces mistakes.
Later, I will remind you of these exact phrases one more time.
Now, a quick list of common words and their simple meanings.
Teller means the bank employee who handles transactions.
Teller means the bank employee who handles transactions.
Hold means a temporary delay on funds before they are available.
Hold means a temporary delay on funds before they are available.
Endorsement means signing the back to accept a check.
Endorsement means signing the back to accept a check.
Receipt means written proof of your transaction.
Receipt means written proof of your transaction.
These definitions make the phrases easier to use.
Now, a short role-play example to show these lines in context.
I will pretend to be the customer.
I will be the teller. Say your line when you are ready.
Can I cash this check, please?
Here is my ID. Thank you. May I see your account number?
My account number is 123456789.
Thank you. Is there a hold on this check? How many business days?
How many business days is the hold?
That role-play shows the flow of a real interaction.
Now, a practical reminder for mobile deposits. Always check the app limits and endorsement requirements.
If the app asks, sign the back and write for mobile deposit only.
Sign the back and write for mobile deposit only.
That prevents double deposits and helps the bank process checks correctly.
Now, a final practical block with 6 quick practice lines to remember. Can I cash this check, please?
What are your opening hours?
I would like to make a deposit, please.
Is there a hold on this check?
I lost my debit card. Can you block it, please?
Great job. Those 6 lines cover most bank visits.
Now, a quick viewer reminder. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more practical English.
And comment with your bank questions below. We will answer the top questions in a future episode.
I will read the comments and pick a question to answer next.
What is banking like where you live? Tell us one short detail in the comments.
We want to learn from your experience too. As promised, here is a short list of top phrases to remember for bank visits.
Can I cash this check, please?
What are your opening hours?
I would like to make a deposit, please.
Is there a hold on this check?
Can I get a receipt for this deposit, please?
I lost my debit card. Can you block it, please? Great job. Those 6 lines cover most bank visits.
Use these phrases and keep your ID and account info handy.
Good luck and see you next time at Speak Easy English.